Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can reduce system clock speed on your MacBook. So we're going to have to go to system settings, and here we can have to go to battery, and here in battery we have battery health, and here we have options, and here we have prevent automatic sleeping or power adapter when display is off, and put hard disk to sleep when possible on battery. Also, you can check that option, and here we also can see the battery and battery settings. You can also open battery settings from there. And of course, now if you want to low power mode, you can check this only on battery, or always if you want lower performance because you have less battery and don't want to consume your battery, just put this on only on battery, or always, whatever you want. But from here, that's where you have to go on your MacBook. So I hope this quick tip we found this helpful. Now also, what if you want to use a less battery? As I said, you don't have enough battery and you like to reduce the consume. So here on display, make sure you reduce the display brightness. That's something you could do. That's what I'm doing right now. And as you can see, I can reduce the brightness very fast and easy without any issue. And what I'm using here is the monitor control on MacBook. It's a great app slash not sponsored. I just use it and it's helpful. And because I can go from here, I don't even have an option on this Asus monitors. You can do it like from the monitor. Actually, I can do. I have buttons behind the monitor, but here I think is much faster to do it from here. So yeah, just decrease the color, the brightness, so you can have more battery, so your battery will last longer. Now it here is important to check how much power apps are using. So in this case, we're gonna have to go commands place, and here what we're gonna have to do, I have this mic. What? Anyways, so here activity monitor, click on this, and here you click on energy, and then here on energy click on energy. Here energy, let's just grab like this so we can see exactly energy impact, then click on this and say which app is using the most energy. Apparently OBS is using the most. Also, actually OBS is using the most. You just refresh this, and yeah, that's the way I check to see which app is using the most memory, using a lot of memory. And apparently it's OBS. Tab that I'm using right now to record the screen. So yeah, that's how you can check which application is using the most memory, is using the most power. So in this case is OBS. So now let's move to the next step. I'm gonna help you to reduce your battery consumption, and which is really to if you see, okay, it's actually Google Chrome is consuming. Well, what can I do in this case is just close some apps that are running in the background. That's something I would do to really reduce, increase the battery, make the battery last longer. Make sure you click on just remove or delete or just close any apps that are consuming a lot of memory. Now another tip I have for you guys. I know maybe this is not the perfect tip, but please listen. I used to use a lot consistently. I was really comfortable using Google Chrome, but then I switched to Safari, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I didn't like Safari at first, but I got used to it. I customized the way I like it. Now really, I like it. It's not perfect. There's some extensions that I used to use. I liked on Chrome. I can't find here, but I actually found some extensions that it does the same job, so I'm fine right now. But where I'm going with this, I'm really referring to the browser Safari that is better if you want less consumption on your battery. If you're using your MacBook a lot, in your work, on a restaurant, maybe you're working a lot without charging a MacBook, and you want more battery, make sure you don't use Chrome, guys. Don't use Chrome. Learn Safari. It's more optimized, and as I said, you'll get used to it, and you're probably already familiar with Safari, obvious. But yeah, my personal recommendation is to use Safari. It uses less memory, means less power, and yeah, that's another tip I have for you. I hope it's helpful.